If you're experiencing controller drift in Valorant, it can be frustrating and affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to quickly fix the issue and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure your controller settings in Valorant are configured correctly. Navigate to the settings menu and verify that the sensitivity and dead zone settings are appropriate for your controller. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift issues. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to get into the crevices to remove any buildup that may be affecting performance. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In the controller settings, adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input from the analog sticks. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to update your controller. Step 5. Test on another device. If the drift persists, test your controller on another device or game. This will help determine if the issue is with the controller itself or specific to Valorant. If it drifts on other devices, you may need to consider repairing or replacing the controller. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in Valorant and enhance your gameplay. Good luck, and enjoy your gaming.